are you? How do you usually spend your free time? I'm always online. I like to download music and videos. I often upload new apps. My favorite ones are YouTube, Snapchat, and Instagram. I like to follow YouTube channels about traveling, cooking, and animals. I really like videos with puppies. They're so cute. I never watch boring videos. I usually add comments and share the best videos with my friends. I want to become a famous vlogger and have lots of followers. Every day, I make interesting videos. Today, I want to make a video with my super game. Harry Potter and his friends love this board game.
Flavour. There's chocolate and peppermint, and there's also spinach.
It is Bean Boozled. It's a very popular game. Making videos is easy peasy. You need only 3 steps. Step 1. Take out your camera. Step 2. Open the game. Step 3. Make the video. You see, everyone could do it. And now, it's time to try a bean. It's a white bean. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg. Oops. I guess not.
Followers. Followers. Channel. Channel. Make videos. Make videos. Add comments. Add comments. Blogger. Blogger. Favorite. Favorite. Interesting. Interesting. Popular. Popular. Boring. Boring. Upload. Upload. Download. Download. Share. Share.